In this video, we will show you how to install a laminate worktop and talk you through the items in the Unica laminate installation kit. Unica has been manufacturing colored adhesives and worktop installation products for over 25 years. We supply the bulk of large kitchen manufacturers and distributors across Europe. All products have been tested to ISO quality standards, and we offer a technical support helpline for installers. If you need further assistance, call 0191 259 7876. Unica Laminate Installation Kit includes everything you will need to successfully install a laminate worktop. ColorJoint colored adhesive and sealant, ColorJoint applicator tool and scraper, 3 easy bolts, laminate worktop cleaner and cloths. Before you start, you need to check you have the right equipment. Unica worktop jig and pegs, biscuit jointer, a router with minimum 1600 watts capability, a 30mm guide bush, a 12.7mm router cutter with 50mm cut length, quick release clamps, and the Unica laminate installation kit. Miter the worktop and cut biscuit and bolt slots ready for installation. Unica ColorJoint is a brand new color-matched adhesive and sealant for laminate worktop joints. ColorJoint is the latest generation high-performance toughened polymer technology. ColorJoint is color-matched to the worktop to give a seamless finish. It is an excellent gap or joint filler, and it has very little shrinkage and is UV stable. ColorJoint bonds quickly and easily, and as it is tough to touch, this means it will last longer in the joint. It does not pick up dirt like silicone, PU or other worktop joint adhesives. Open time is 10 to 15 minutes, giving longer to tighten and level the worktop. ColorJoint is fast curing even at low temperatures, which means the worktop is ready to use in 15 hours. ColorJoint is environmentally friendly, containing no solvents. ColorJoint has an 18-month shelf life. Simply fix the applicator and apply an even bead around one side of the worktop joint. Also apply to the biscuit slots before putting the biscuits in place. Bring the joint together and tighten the easy bolts. Quickly remove the excess ColorJoint with the scraper and use a finger on the front edge. Clean up any final ColorJoint with a dry white cloth. As you can see, the adhesive is matched perfectly, creating a seamless joint. Unica Laminate Cleaner is a daily specialist cleaner for laminate worktops. It tackles everyday grease and grime. It cleans the worktop safely and is biodegradable and solvent-free. Spray onto the work surface and wipe with a damp cloth. Finish off with a dry cloth for a streak-free finish. Heat-reflective tape and sheet are also very important for laminate worktop installation. Both are necessary to protect the worktop. The heat-resistant tape will protect worktop hob cutouts from radiant heat. The heat-resistant sheet will protect the worktop underside from heat from dishwashers, washing machines and other appliances. The Unica Laminate Installation Kit includes everything a fitter will need to install a laminate worktop.